Arte, feel na feel. Okay, so kinlik mo ang video na to kasi gusto mong matuto kung paano magkulot. Well, without further ado, ituturo ko na sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa ang curls na ito. Keep on watching! Alright, so I bought this curl formers in Lazada and it's worth 80 pesos or $1.66. It comes with 16 pieces of curlers and with one lever. So this is how it looks like outside of the box. So it is also packed in a plastic. So as you can see, there is a wand or a lever. So later on, I'm going to show you how it's done or how it is used. So if you're outside of the Philippines and you don't have Lazada app, you can also check it out in Amazon, where you can search for the word curl formers. Okay, so this is how you use it. You just have to connect two parts of the lever. So you just connect them so you can have one long lever or wand, right? And then just get one piece of the curler or maybe two. It depends on your liking. If you want your curls from the roots of your hair down to the ends, but if you just want the ends of your hair to be curly, then you can just use one piece. Just slit it through the wand, and this is how it should look like. Then you can just scoop a portion of your hair on this part of the lever, and once your hair is positioned securely, then you can just pull it in all the way to the other end of the noodle curler. So your hair should be inside this. Okay, let me do a demonstration. So get the lever or the wand and then insert one piece of curl former, or I'd like to call it noodle curler because it looks like a noodle. Okay, just insert the wand in the noodle curler. There, just like what I'm doing. And then once it's already secure, you can get a portion of your hair and make sure your hair is tangle free because we don't want the hair to be stuck inside the noodle curler. Just comb it, and then what you can do is you can just swirl your hair, but this is optional. I found out later on that it is not necessary to do it. Alright, so just hook your hair securely into the wand, and then once it's secured in place, you can pull out the wand from the noodle curler. So your hair should be inside the noodle curler. Alright, so that's it. You just have to pull it all the way to the ends of your hair just to make sure that the curls will be up to the ends of the hair, because it's not really good if the curl is in the middle. So there. So you just have to repeat the process until you have put all of the curl formers onto your hair. Alright, so as you can see, I was really struggling on how I will hook my hair, but eventually I was able to get the hang of it and was able to do it perfectly on the other side of my hair. So for me, this is actually the easiest way to curl your hair, because you just have to hook your hair and then pull it inside the noodle and then just leave it for 1 hour. So unlike heating it with iron, I don't know if that's the same case for everyone, but for me, this is the best way to curl my hair, because I can just put it in the morning and then leave it maybe you know, for a few hours, and then before I go out of the house, then I can just pull out all, then I can just remove the curlers, and then I'm ready to go. So one thing I don't like about this product is the wand, because it's not sturdy enough to stand hard pulls from me. So as you can see earlier, it broke into two, but overall I really like this product. I just have to make sure that I'm pulling it gently so that the lever or the wand will not be, you know, split into. Okay, so I'm done with this side of my hair, so I'll move to the next side or the other side. So I'll just repeat the process, but this time you will notice that I was able to hook the hair perfectly and securely into place, and then I was able to easily pull out the lever. By the way, for best results, I suggest that you leave your hair damp so that your curls will be more precise or more defined. So my hair was damp when I was doing that, though it's not really obvious, but yeah, it is damp. And then you just let it dry naturally, or if you're in a hurry, you can use a blower to dry your hair. I really have thin hair, as you can see. That's why I only used few or minimal amount of curlers. But if you have thick hair, you may want to consider buying 2 or 3 boxes of the curl formers, because 16 pieces or 18 pieces will not be enough for your hair, especially if you want to use multiple curlers in one portion of the hair. And I'm done. Next step is to apply hairspray onto the hair. You can also do apply hair or hair mousse before you put on the curlers, but in this tutorial video I'm just using a hairspray. You can spray directly into the curlers, then just leave it for 1 hour. You can do the spraying after you have removed the curlers.
A few moments later.
So after 1 hour, itatanggalin na natin to. Yeah, so let's remove it one by one. So this is the most satisfying part, yung pagtatanggal siya. So hihilahin mo lang naman siya. Nakikita nyo, hindi ba ganun kaayos yung hair ko, no? Pero tuyo na siya. Mamaya, i-fix natin yan. Sige, isa-isahin na natin. So, ang pagtatanggal nito, ihilahin mo lang siya. So, 1 hour ko lang siya hinintay. Isa-isahin na natin. Ayaw matanggal, ah. So, sobrang higpit niya, guys. Hindi na matanggal. Okay. I'm so excited. Tara! Look! It's so cute! That's just for 1 hour. Ang ganda. Oh, diba? Okay, tanggalin na natin lahat. Taran! Ang cute! Okay. Ito pa. Oh, diba? Ang cute! Ito siya kapag close up. Cute. Ganda. Would you like to achieve the same look? kung gusto nyo yung medyo natural waves lang siya or beach wave, i-comb nyo lang siya using your fingers para you can separate the curls. And just make it and wiggle it like that. Ayan, para dulo lang yung waves. You can also do that on the other side. Baka lagi na ako nakakulot nito sa mga vlog ko. Alright, so this is how it looked like after I curled it for 1 hour. So it's pretty cool, you know. Actually, kung gusto niyo po ng full curls o yung mula dito hanggang dulo, what you can do is gamitan niyo po ng dalawang curler, isusulot niyo lang dito. Yes, you can do double curls by putting two curling device. Ayan. So, pag susunin nyo na lang siyang ganyan, tapos pag hinilan nyo, at least, pwede nyo siyang i-arrange ng mula dito hanggang sa dulo ng hair. So, that is your curl. Arte, feel na feel. Ayan, so I hope may natutunan po kayo sa akin ngayong araw. And if you find this video helpful and somehow entertaining, please leave a like, comment, let me know your thoughts. Is this something that you would like to do on your own? And yeah, if you find this helpful, please share this with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click that subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon para updated po kayo every time nag-upload ako ng bagong video. Again, if you like to know more about hair and makeup, I have several videos for makeup for beginners. So if you're interested, please click on the playlist shown on your screens. And yeah, I hope to see you there on those videos.